one was it that was, it was in this box, wasn't it?
Yeah, I think so.
And a little bit of sideways on there. Let's scrape this off. Sorry.
Oh, no, it isn't.
What?
The sideways frame.
Just keep filming, it might be. They're gonna do this on all of them. There's poop on there. Okay, it must have been in the next box down. It must be this one. Whoa. Oh, yeah. Well, but they're starting to do some good comb on it.
Yeah. I think it's just the fact that there's drones there.
Okay, so now I'm thinking maybe we'll just scrape this part off.
Yeah.
And I can do a do-over. Dang it. That's really annoying. Okay. Alright, this edge looks good here. It's just
Even worse.
Ugh. Oh, that's so frustrating. Okay. Let's see. Alright. I have to. Let's do this.
You want me to not film this part?
No, it's okay. I mean, there's some gross. I mean, that's what a baby, that's what they look like. Whoa. That looks better, huh?
We're probably gonna want to take that out part. Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Okay, now. Oh God, they're so juicy. Oh, that one's kind of cool looking though. I might save this one for my friend. Okay. I think we got what we need off of that. And then, should we look for queen cells?
Maybe.
See, now that one looks nice. Look, there's a bunch of babies in there. They've got nectar here. There's babies in there. Although they're backfilling it with nectar, I'm not sure.
It's possible that they don't have enough space quite yet to store all the honey. Like they're still trying to build it up.
Yeah, they're brooding. brood building. Let's move this box and look in the bottom box. All right, I bet Lizzo is on this one. Oh, look at this. Filling in gaps nicely. And I don't want to see any swarm cells, girls. Oh, that's light as a feather. Full of eggs. Chock full of eggs. Beautiful. Let's take a look, actually. Let's set this one over here real quick. Just to get it out of the way.
I smell banana.
Yeah, they're getting angry. They need to be done real soon. Oh, tons of eggs. We're good here.
Nice.
I don't see a lot of drones in here yet, though. Have you noticed any drones?
Not really.
That's weird. Are these... Those look like sunken cells or bee bread.
Bee bread? What does sunken cell mean?
Like these ones right here. Does that look like it's capped brood that like is flattened?
No, it looks like bee bread.
Oh, I was thinking bee bread is usually more wet looking, like up here.
See, there's very dry stuff too.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Oh, look at that baby one. She's so fuzzy. Okay, they're working on it. They're fixing it.
Nice, nice.
Oh gosh, look, they're dragging that larva. I don't know, are they gonna eat it? Or are they trying to just take it out? They're dragging that one too. Okay, I think that's a queen cup that I messed up last week because I didn't want them getting any ideas. Okay, I'm happy. All right, we can put put everything back.
You want to film putting it back?
Yeah. All right. Or no, we don't have to film it putting it back.